In 2026, which format is winning on YouTube? Shorts or long-form videos? For years, this has been the central question for every creator on the platform. We're going to do a deep dive into the performance, audience behavior, retention rates, and the all-important monetization differences between shorts and traditional long-form content. By the end of this video, you'll know which format could supercharge your YouTube growth strategy. Let's start with the format that redefined the platform, YouTube Shorts. At its core, a short is a vertical video under 60 seconds, designed for rapid, mobile-first consumption. By 2026, what started as a trend has become a dominant force on the platform. The growth has been nothing short of explosive. The mobile-first viewing habits that were emerging in the early 2020s are now the default for a majority of users. This has led to trillions of daily views across the Shorts ecosystem, making it the fastest way to get in front of a massive audience. The discoverability is immense. A single short can rack up millions of views in a matter of hours, something that was once reserved for only the largest long-form creators. This meteoric rise is fueled by the algorithm. The YouTube Shorts algorithm operates on an infinite scroll model, similar to its competitors. It's designed to serve viewers a continuous stream of content, learning their preferences in real time to deliver one dopamine hit after another. This makes it incredibly effective at promoting new content. A short doesn't rely on subscribers or search traffic in the same way a long-form video does. Instead, it's pushed out to a test audience, and if the initial viewer engagement is high, it gets distributed exponentially. YouTube's 2026 algorithm has doubled down on this, prioritizing quick signals like watch-through rate and shares to determine virality. This means a new channel can go from 0 to 1 million views on a single short almost overnight. However, this speed comes with a trade-off in audience retention and loyalty. Viewer behavior on Shorts is fundamentally different. People are in a scanning, swiping mindset. Engagement is high in terms of likes and views, but attention spans are microscopic. A viewer might watch 10 of your shorts and still not remember your channel name. The consumption is rapid and high frequency, but it often builds a wide, shallow audience rather than a deep, loyal community. The relationship is transactional. They came for a 30-second clip, and once it's over, they're on to the next one. When it comes to monetization, shorts have come a long way, but they still operate in a different league. By 2026, the old Shorts fund will have evolved into a more direct ad revenue sharing model. Ads are shown between shorts in the feed, and a portion of that revenue is pooled and distributed to creators based on their share of total views. While this provides a more consistent income stream than the initial fund, the revenue per mil, or RPM, is significantly lower than that of long-form content. The ads are less intrusive and easier to skip, so advertisers pay less. Creator monetization through Shorts is possible, but it's a game of volume. You need massive view counts to generate a substantial income from ads alone. Now, let's pivot to the original king of the platform, long-form video. We're defining long-form as any video that's typically over 8 to 10 minutes. This is the content that built YouTube into the giant it is today. The tutorials, documentaries, video essays, and deep dive commentaries. In 2026, long-form is far from dead. It has simply solidified its role as the home of high-value, niche content. While shorts dominate the casual browsing experience, long-form content thrives in search and recommendations. Statistics for 2026 show that while shorts get more total views, long-form videos command a significantly higher average watch time per viewer. Audiences don't just watch these videos, they commit to them. The long-form algorithm behaves very differently. It's a slow, deliberate engine that prioritizes sustained viewer engagement and session time. It wants to find the perfect video to answer a user's query or satisfy their interest. This is why long-form content dominates search results. When someone wants to learn a skill or understand a complex topic, they're looking for a comprehensive 15-minute video, not a 45-second clip. The algorithm rewards this depth by recommending the video to similar audiences for months or even years after it's published. This creates a powerful long-tail effect where a video can accumulate views and build authority over time. This leads to a completely different kind of audience retention. Long-form content is where you build a true community. When someone invests 20 minutes of their time into your video, they are far more likely to subscribe, turn on notifications, and remember who you are. This format allows you to build a relationship with your audience, showcase your personality, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. This deeper connection significantly boosts your channel's overall watch time, which is still a critical metric for the YouTube algorithm in 2026. A loyal audience built through long-form content is an asset that Shorts can rarely replicate. The monetization potential for long-form is where it truly pulls ahead. This format offers a robust and diversified path to creator monetization. The most significant factor is ads. Long-form videos allow for multiple ad placements, including pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll ads. Mid-roll ads in particular are incredibly valuable, and creators can place several of them throughout a longer video. This, combined with the fact that advertisers are willing to pay higher CPMs to reach an engaged, attentive audience, means the ad revenue from a single long-form video can often surpass that of a viral short with 10 times the views. Furthermore, long-form is the ideal platform for sponsorships, in-depth affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. So, let's compare them directly. In terms of raw performance, Shorts win the race for quick views and discoverability. The algorithm is built for explosive, short-term virality. If your goal is to get as many eyeballs as possible in the shortest amount of time, Shorts are unparalleled. However, long-form videos are more rewarding in the long run. They build channel authority and a sustainable viewership through search and recommendations. The psychological difference in viewer behavior is stark. Consuming Shorts is like scanning headlines. You absorb tiny bits of information quickly, but retain very little. Watching a long-form video is like reading an article. It's an investment of time and attention that leads to deeper understanding and a stronger connection with the creator. This difference is crucial for building a lasting brand. When we look at which is more lucrative, the picture becomes even clearer. Monetization on Shorts is limited. The ad revenue is a numbers game, requiring astronomical views to be impactful. While brand deals for Shorts exist, they are often for quick, low-cost promotions. Long-form content, on the other hand, is built for sustainable income. The higher CPM rates from multiple ad formats provide a reliable baseline revenue. But more importantly, the trust and authority you build with your audience through long-form content unlock premium monetization opportunities. Brands will pay top dollar for a dedicated sponsorship segment in a video that reaches a highly engaged niche audience. Fan funding features like channel memberships and super chats also perform significantly better with the loyal communities cultivated by long-form videos. So, which one should you choose for your YouTube growth strategy? Let's break down the pros and cons. The pros of Shorts are clear: rapid growth potential, high virality, and a lower barrier to entry in terms of production. The cons are a fleeting audience, lower viewer loyalty, and significantly limited creator monetization options. For long-form, the pros are a loyal and engaged community, superior monetization, and long-term channel authority. The cons are a much higher production effort and a slower, more gradual growth curve. The right choice depends entirely on your goals. If you're a new creator aiming for fast growth and maximum discoverability, Shorts can be an incredible tool to get your channel off the ground. You can use them to attract an initial audience that you can then try to convert into long-form viewers. If you are a creator focused on building a niche community, establishing expertise, or generating a sustainable income, long-form content must be the foundation of your strategy. In reality, the ultimate strategy in 2026 isn't about choosing one over the other, it's about using them together. The most successful creators on the platform use Shorts as a top-of-funnel discovery tool, creating compelling, bite-sized content that hooks new viewers and introduces them to their brand. Then, they use their long-form videos to provide depth, build community, and truly monetize that audience. Shorts get them in the door, but long-form convinces them to stay. To recap, Shorts offer incredible reach and the potential for rapid, viral growth, while long-form videos are the champions of building a loyal community and generating sustainable revenue. The best approach is to find a balance that works for your content and your goals. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment. What's your take on Shorts versus long-form? Let's discuss. And if you want more insights on how to navigate the world of YouTube in 2026, make sure you subscribe to the channel.